Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve cannot record audio while in a call. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down, click on message app, click on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel, turn on aeroplane mode, just few seconds. And now open on Google Message app. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.